Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Life with Anna. In this video I'm doing review of my new Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara and Eyeshadow plus Highlights palette. The eyeshadow colors very shiny and beautiful. I'm starting with applying black color under my lashes. The black color is very dark and rich, so I'm using very thin brush to apply. I like golden and peach colors, so I'm using them first. Then I'm mixing together peach and reddish brown colors and I'm applying them under my eyebrows. Peach and reddish brown are great colors to create a blush. I'm highlighting the inner corners of the eyes with a gold color. Now it's time to apply mascara. The formula feels soft. Mascara applies evenly and separates lashes well. It doesn't build much length, but it makes my lashes super dark and thick. In the end, I'm blending eyeshadow with golden highlights. I can show you color one by one. I usually like to use more brown one and reddish. It's I think best for my face, it's best for my look. So this one golden. It's a pinkish. Which one I will use a lot? The brownish. Little bit matte. Brown color. On this side, very light one. I probably will never use it, I don't know. I like this one, little bit golden brown, I think very pretty. Awesome. Black one, it's very bright. I think it will be better, it will be a little bit gray, maybe not that dramatic black. It's like super dark. And also it's very messy. I try to put it underline. And you should do it with very thin brush like this. Because if you use thicker brush, it will be all over face. So like just very thin brush and just under corner, just little bit. I can show you this one. Very pretty. And this is gold. Lovely. I love this gold. Apply a little bit on my cheekbone. I hope you like my video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye for now.